People think what they see on the Discovery Channel is reality. But the truth is, nature is pretty gentle. Nature only harms you if there's a reason for it. Usually that reason is invoked by the person who is afraid of that creature. The reality is, the Discovery Channel has been lying to you. Think about why that might be. If you're constantly caught up in the rat race, they call it, and you think the whole world is out to get you, do you focus on material things? Or do you focus on that which matters? Choose one. I love honeybees. Harmless. Don't do this at home. Oh, sorry. Until next time, zchg.org.